Welcome to this new Honda ATC. What we have here today is fully restored Bird 3-wheeler. Basically brand new. Brand new tires, brand new engine, brand new brand new chain, brand new belt. Basically, the wood under the seat brand new. Repainted the rims, repainted the whole frame. It was a good winter job. I even have to customize it so the seat actually goes up. It's like as a 2-inch lift of aluminum. Because I have to do this hinge, because you can't access to the gas cap. What motor I'm using is a Briggs & Stratton 900 series 205cc 7-horse motor. Clips back in. I'm guessing back in the day, like, there's places like Northern Tools and like Princess Auto that probably sell these. Because I know I have a mini bike too that has like exactly the same frame. Most people has like the old school mini bikes, but this is an old school 3-wheeler. Can't really find these anymore. There's Bird and Markwell or something. And let's see, maybe it'll fire up today, which it should. Let's see. Play around with the choke, so sweet spot. Go. As you can see, it's a big sprocket in the back, so it's only built for power. It was warm to beat the big wrench in the Yamahas. Here's the old motor that came with it. Some kind of Tecumseh engine, the whole throttle, and the. I opened up this thing one day. Let's see what opens up. And you can tell this engine had a good life, and the whole bird was having a life. Look at this air filter. It's just mint. So yeah. Actually, let's call here's the case. I'll take it off for you guys. This whole belt, the chain, actually bolted. See, look, there's still bolts from it. They actually fit from this motor. Like you can see the whole bolt pattern. This machine doesn't even go that fast because it's a big sprocket in it and all that, but you know what? It's a 3-wheeler, and this is new Honda ATC. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope everyone likes my bird 3-wheeler, and have a great day. See you later. Bye.